Good morning, student. Myself, Deepika. Welcome to DAV Haripura online classes. Okay, so today we will discuss about the chapter number 4, separation of substances. So, what is separation of substances? Firstly, separation it means separate, and substances it means matter. What is separation? Separation means removal of substances from a mixture of two or more substances. First, separating stone from rice, separating tea from tea leaves. So, separation of mixture. A mixture is a substance that can be separated into two or more pure substances by simple physical means. For example, air is a mixture of very many gases such as oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. Milk is a mixture of water, fat and other substance. And next, what is pure substance? A pure substance, solid, liquid and gas. प्योर सब्सटेंस सॉलिड भी हो सकता है, लिक्विड भी हो सकता है एंड गैस भी हो सकता है. ए प्योर सब्सटेंस हैज ऑल द सेम एटम्स और मॉलिक्यूल्स. एग्जाम्पल, प्योर सब्सटेंस इज प्योर वाटर. प्योर सब्सटेंस और मिक्सचर्स, salt, sugar, milk, butter. Mixture, chocolate, vegetable curry, jute rope, water from a pond. Next one is mixture. So mixture is a formed when two or more substances are mixed together in any proportion. Proportion it means ratio. The components of a mixture are not combined chemically. Air, soft drink, lemonade, seawater are some example of mixture. Lemonade it means a drink made from lemon juice and sweetened water. Okay, so next, the mixture and components. Air, gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, organ, dust particle and water vapor. Okay, indicates the components present in some of common mixture. Okay, seawater, salts, water and sand particles. Aerated drinks, water, sugar and carbon dioxide. Lemonade, lemon juice, sugar and water. Crude oil, petrol, kerosene oil, diesel. Okay, so next, a mixture can be in a solid, liquid or gaseous form. So some example of mixture of each of these forms are given in table. Mixture in different forms, solid. For example, soil, alloys like brass, bronze, fuse wire. Alloys it means a metal made by combining two or more metallic elements. Bronze it means composition of metal. Fuse wires. Liquid, salt solution, aerated drinks, sea water. एरेटेड ड्रिंक्स इट मीन्स बेटा जिसके अंदर गैसेस भरी हुई होती हैं, जिस ड्रिंक्स के अंदर गैसेस होती है. नेक्स्ट, गैसेस, एयर, CNG, PNG एंड LPG. नेक्स्ट, टाइप ऑफ मिक्सचर. Mixture are of two type, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So homogeneous mixture, a homogeneous mixture is that which has the same composition throughout, that is its components are uniformly distributed. Okay, its different parts cannot be distinguished from each other. Okay, so for example, coffee, wine, air, brass, steel, natural gas, vinegar, blood, all are homogeneous mixture. So next, heterogeneous mixture. A heterogeneous mixture is that which does not have the same composition throughout, that is its component are not uniformly distributed. Uniformly it means equal. Composition it means formation. Throughout it means anywhere. Okay, for example, chocolate chips cookies, pizza, tossed salad, soda with ice, sandwich, salad, all are heterogeneous mixture. Its different parts cannot be distinguished from each other. Okay, इट्स डिफरेंट पार्ट्स कैन बी, सॉरी कैन नॉट बी तो आता है होमोजीनस में, बट कैन बी डिस्टिंग्विश्ड फ्रॉम ईच अदर. ओके, so its different parts can be distinguishing from each other, heterogeneous but homogeneous. Its different parts cannot be distinguished from each other. Okay, thank you beta.